Imagine this. You're driving on a scorching summer day, gripping the wheel as your tires glide smoothly over the asphalt. Now, fast forward a few months, it's winter. The roads are icy, and suddenly you're struggling to keep control. And you're wondering, do you need a set of winter and summer tires or just a single set of all season all year long? Well, we are here to answer that question. So stick around to find out which tires you would want under your car. FYI, every week we share new videos that focus on reviews, comparisons, and the newest trends in tire technology. So to keep up with all our updates, consider subscribing to our channel. Now let's compare all these tire types, starting things off with summer tires. So summer tires perform best when the mercury rises above 45 degrees. They excel in providing unmatched traction on both wet and dry surfaces compared to their winter and all-season counterparts. This advantage stems from their unique asymmetric tread patterns and minimal grooves which maximize rubber-to-road contact, enhancing grip significantly. But you might be wondering, how do these tires maintain such impressive traction, especially on wet surfaces? I mean, with fewer sipes and grooves, how are they exactly able to channel away the water from underneath the tread to avoid that slippage? Well, the answer lies in their stickier rubber composition. This allows them to cling to the road in a much better way, providing a tighter grip and reducing the risk of hydroplaning despite their less grooved tread design. In fact, they are so grippy that they literally leave a bit of themselves on the road, much like leaving footprints in the sand. However, as you may have guessed it by now, this high level of traction does come with a trade-off, which is reduced tread life. That's why generally summer tires last only between 20 to 40k miles, which is significantly shorter than the 40 to 100k miles you might expect from all-season tires. They also start with shallower tread depths, around 8 to 9 by 32 inches or about 6.5 to 7 millimeters. And this, although enhances steering responsiveness due to less tread wiggling, it also means they reach replacement limits quicker. And talking about tread depth, a quick note here. As summer tires wear down, particularly once the tread depth drops below 4 by 32 inches or about 3 millimeters, their performance can be significantly compromised, especially in preventing hydroplaning. In contrast, all-season tires maintain decent performance even at tread depth as low as 2 by 32 inches. And as for winter tires, well, they start losing their edge below 5 by 32 inches or about 4 millimeters. All in all, summer tires with their superb road connectivity provide the best traction and stability values, particularly at higher speeds. That's why they're a favorite for sports cars and performance sedans. And as for sizes, common sizes for these tires include 205/55 R16, 225/45 R17 and 245/40 R18, which typically feature a lower profile and wider tread for better grip and handling. Next up, winter tires. Winter tires excel in temperatures below 45 degrees, making them perfect for colder conditions. Their tread patterns are usually directional and often V-shaped, incorporating aggressive grooving and sometimes even studs to enhance traction. But what really makes winter tires stand out is their rubber compound they are made from. This compound remains flexible even in extreme cold, which is crucial for improving grip and control on slippery, icy surfaces. These tires also feature more siping and deeper grooves compared to their all-season and summer counterparts, with a greater initial tread depth of about 11 to 13 by 32 inches, that's about 9 to 10 millimeters. Such design characteristics allow winter tires to effectively bite into snow. And with that biting going on, their directional V-shaped lugs help push snow backwards, creating forward momentum, making it easier to keep moving in deeper snowy terrains. However, it's important to note that winter tires tend to wear down the fastest, typically lasting only about 20 to 30k miles. And as you may have guessed it, this quicker wear is due to their softer rubber composition combined with their aggressive tread pattern. Therefore, it's crucial to keep a close eye on their tread life because their ability to prevent hydroplaning decreases significantly once the tread wears down to about 5 by 32 inches. And speaking of drawbacks, these winter tires are also the noisiest of the 3 tire types here. But on a positive note, their softer rubber allows for better bump absorption, improving overall comfort performance. Last but not least, we come to all-season tires. So all-season tires are a jack of all trades, designed to perform reasonably well in a temperature range from 32 to 90 degrees. These tires come with moderate siping and grooves alongside a symmetric tread pattern typically. And while they don't match the peak performance of summer tires in wet and dry conditions or the snow capability of winter tires, they offer a very nice balanced performance across all these conditions. One of the major benefits of all-season tires is their durability, where they are able to last between 40 to 100,000 miles, as already discussed. Moreover, these tires are also more fuel efficient, improving fuel economy by about 2% compared to summer and winter tires. Also, while all-season tires might come with higher upfront cost compared to dedicated seasonal tires, they offer greater cost effectiveness over time. In other words, they end up being cheaper among the 3 tire categories here. This is because they last longer and you can avoid the need for seasonal tire swaps, saving both time and money on tire changes and storage. Another positive aspect of these tires is that they are incredibly versatile, catering to a wide range of vehicle types and driving needs from standard touring to highway use. That's why they offer the most sizes, with popular sizes including 205/55R16, 215/60R16, and 225/65R17, ensuring that there's a fit for nearly every vehicle out there. So there you have it, folks. These are the main differences between all these tire types. Which tire are you currently running on your car? Would love to hear about them in the comments below. P.S. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep up with our latest posts, consider subscribing. Just hover over the logo right here and click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.